Before we dive in, remember to hit that subscribe button for more fascinating facts and recipes. Now let's talk about a little root with a big reputation, ginger. Hailing from Southeast Asia, this zesty ingredient has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. Revered for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, ginger is not just a spice for your favorite dishes, but a secret weapon for skin health. Imagine a natural remedy that fights against aging, reduces skin damage, and leaves your complexion glowing. That's the power of ginger. It's rich in gingerol, a substance with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. This means it can help to reduce the signs of aging, soothe skin irritations, and even protect against harmful UV rays. It's no wonder that ginger is becoming a popular ingredient in skincare products. Now, let's explore how you can harness the power of ginger for your skincare routine. Scene script. First off, we have a simple yet effective ginger face scrub. Let's talk about the ingredients you'll need to whip up this little miracle worker. You'll need some fresh ginger, sugar, and honey. Yes, that's right. Just 3 simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Fresh ginger is a powerhouse of antioxidants which help to fight against skin-damaging free radicals. It's also known for its anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and acne. Sugar, on the other hand, is a natural exfoliant that can help to remove dead skin cells, giving you a smoother and brighter complexion. And last but not least, we have honey. Honey is a natural moisturizer that can hydrate your skin, leaving it soft and glowing. Now let's get into the actual process of making and using this ginger face scrub. First, you'll need to grate a small piece of fresh ginger. Once you've done that, mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey. This will form a paste that will serve as the base of your scrub. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is your exfoliant. Mix it in well so that the sugar is evenly distributed throughout the paste. Once your scrub is ready, apply it gently on your face using circular motions. Be careful to avoid the delicate area around your eyes. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water. The beauty of this scrub is that it's suitable for all skin types. However, as with any new skincare product, it's always a good idea to do a patch test first. There you have it. A simple homemade ginger face scrub that's sure to leave your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. It's a perfect little addition to your skincare routine that can help keep your skin looking its best. After using this scrub, your skin will feel refreshed and revitalized. Scene script. Next up is a soothing ginger face mask. First, let's talk about the star of our recipe, fresh ginger. This root is packed with antioxidants which fight against skin-damaging free radicals. It also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties to calm irritated skin and keep breakouts at bay. Now, let's move on to our next ingredient, yogurt. It's more than just a healthy snack. Yogurt is rich in lactic acid, which can help exfoliate the skin to make it look brighter and feel smoother. It also contains probiotics that can help restore your skin's natural balance. Our third and final ingredient is turmeric. This spice is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. It can help reduce redness and skin irritation, promote skin healing, and bring out your skin's natural glow. Creating the mask is a breeze. Start by grating a small piece of fresh ginger. You'll need about a teaspoon. Then add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Make sure it's unsweetened and unflavored. Lastly, add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix everything together until you get a smooth, consistent paste. To apply the mask, make sure your face is clean and dry. Using your fingers or a brush, spread the mask evenly over your face, avoiding the eye area. Allow it to sit for about 15 minutes. You might feel a slight tingling sensation. That's the ginger and turmeric doing their job. Once your time is up, rinse it off with warm water and pat your face dry. Remember, consistency is key. Using this mask once or twice a week can help improve your skin's texture and tone over time. It's a simple, natural way to pamper your skin right at home. And the best part? All these ingredients are probably already in your kitchen. So why not give it a try? With this mask, your skin will be glowing and smooth in no time. While these recipes can be beneficial, it's important to take certain precautions. Indeed, as with any skincare product, reactions to ginger can vary. Some people may experience a slight tingling sensation, while others may have an allergic reaction. It's also possible that ginger might cause photosensitivity, making your skin more sensitive to sunlight. To avoid any unexpected reactions, always do a patch test before applying a new product to your face. Apply a small amount of the ginger mixture to a patch of skin on your inner elbow and wait 24 hours to see if any reaction occurs. When it comes to storing fresh ginger, keep it in a cool, dry place. You can also freeze it to extend its shelf life. When using, peel off the skin and grate as much as you need. Remember to wash your hands thoroughly before and after handling ginger to avoid any irritation. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so what works for one person might not work for another. So, there you have it, 2 amazing ginger recipes for your skincare routine. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Ginger, this humble root, is a powerhouse of benefits for your skin. It's packed with antioxidants to fight off free radicals. It's a fantastic natural toner, and it can even help reduce signs of aging. We've also shared 2 easy and effective recipes for a ginger face scrub and face mask. The scrub, with its exfoliating properties, can help remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion. The mask, on the other hand, can provide a deep cleanse and leave your skin feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. Remember, it's important to do a patch test first to ensure you're not allergic to any of the ingredients. And, as always, consistency is key in any skincare routine. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, keep glowing.